Hey there, Heather Boyd here, and welcome to day 7 of the Art Bookmark Making Challenge. Be sure to check the description below to join the Facebook event page and share pictures of your beautiful bookmarks. At the end of the challenge, I'll be making a slideshow of viewers' work to be shared. Today we're making folded over bookmarks. I'm starting with some Bristol board, and I'm just going to fold it across the top. And then after, I'm just going to draw a partial face. So just half of the face so the ear sticks out at the side. Then I'm going to go in with my color pencils and color it in. So I'm going to do shading. I'm just going to work up the colors with my color pencils. And if you prefer, you can do this with watercolor or any other medium that you have on hand. Keep in mind that the videos are in fast motion, so if you want to watch them slower, you can change the playback speed in the settings. So just take your time with it, do some shading. You could do a different style if you want to make it more cartoony or more line drawing. Really, there are no rules with these challenges. You just interpret them in any way that you like. I like the color pencils because they're soft and you can blend colors. You can layer colors together. Now for the hair, I'm just going to do just yellows, browns, ochres, different shades, and blend them together. Once you've cut it out, you're going to open it up and just cut out the bit that has the ear on the back. And from there, we're going to make a little earring. So we're getting 20 gauge wire. We're going to clip the end flush. And we're going to take our round pliers and do a little loop on the end. You could also use a head pin if you prefer. Then we're going to put on our beads. I have some 6mm beads and spacer beads, and these are my miracle beads and cat's eye beads that I love. Any beads are good. So we're going to just stack those on there. And then after that, we're going to clip the end to about 1/2 inch, clip it flush, and get our larger round pliers and do a large loop in the wire. And from there, poke a little hole in the ear with a pin and slide that earring on there. You can also laminate your bookmark first so it's a little more solid. So just pop on the earring and it's finished like that, so you can open up your book and just slide it over the page. And I realized after that I made it, it was backwards. I should have done it the other way around because it sits backwards in the book. So you can always flip the pattern and do it the other way. So now I'm going to do the cat. So now we're just going to draw a little tab at the top of the head of the cat, just the width between the ears, and we're going to cut around the outside of the cat. So just make little curvy cuts in the line around the outside of the cat, just so it's not too straight. Just wiggle your scissors back and forth to cut out the shape of the cat face. Wiggle it back and forth and cut it all the way around, and then we're going to cut it out just beside the tab. Cut it straight down and then cut around the ears on one side and then on the other. And then from there, we're just going to fold over the tab. You can do any animal you like. I'm excited to see what you guys come up with. And then we're going to take a book and just slide it over the top of the page of the book. Just slides right in there, and the little ears stick up on top. Super cute. Thanks so much for watching and for participating in the 10-day art bookmark making challenge. Be sure to share photos of your work in the Facebook event page. I'll link it up in the description below. Be sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel for lots more art videos and tutorials. And we'll see you the next time.